Good afternoon, and welcome back to Watching Chickies, day 142, and this is Chicken Mom edition, as Gun Death Thunder Chicken Dad is working today. And we have our lovely ayam cemeni, Braveheart, who's a hen, our fuzzy, silky rooster, Stormy, and our onagadori Kagome in the back there. And today we are featuring a little indoor nesting area we tried to set up for the chickies. We've got some very fluffy, kind of like cat beds on a very deep bookcase, just for those days where they can't get outside. We even have some new sunlight bulbs, some UV bulbs, to help the chickies get sunlight when it's too cold to go outside for them. I hope everyone's having a lovely day like I am with our chicken friends today. And I'm even trying out a new tripod for filming them. Maybe I'll even let it up and ask you guys to leave it up and ask you guys to babysit the chickens for us one day. Let's see. Hey, Braveheart. How you doing, girly? And we've got such sweet little chickies here. Yes, Kagome, yes! What is up? Hi, Braveheart. You saying hello? And it's a relatively quiet afternoon here with the chickies. Just hanging out, Chicken Mom and her chickens. Excuse me, I've got a little tickle in my throat today. We're just hanging out, having a quiet day with the chickies. I don't think they quite know what to make of the cat beds yet. But they're fuzzy and soft, and I think they'll like them, at least for cuddling in and staying warm. Hey, Braveheart! Hey, what you doing? We've got Kagome and Stormy down here hanging out. It's a very quiet day for the chickies. It is nice out today, so they will go outside after our stream. Have some fun in the sun. Right, Kagome? I think she's going to see what Braveheart's doing, right? I think there's still some sesame seeds up there for them. Right, guys? Yeah. And Stormy is our fluffy little buddy down here. Hey, Braveheart. Oh, sweet little trills. We're just hanging out with our chicken buddies, our peep squad. I don't have enough hands. Oop, almost dropped the phone. Hope everyone's having a lovely day. Sorry for... There we go. Hey, Braveheart. We've got our lovely ayam cemeni Braveheart, our onagadori Kagome, and our silky rooster Stormy. Chicken Dad Gun Death Thunder is working today, so it is just Chicken Mom and the Peep Squad for the afternoon. Gun Death Thunder will be back for his regularly scheduled stream tomorrow. Hope everyone's having a lovely day. Hey. Yes, Kagome, yes. What's going on, girl? Yeah, Braveheart too, huh? So talkative today. Uh-huh. And then what? Oh, Stormy's clucking away too. Cluck, cluck. Yes, Kagome, yes. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Mm-hmm. So talkative. Oh, and some little trills from Braveheart. Kagome. Hello, Simmer Sunflower. Good afternoon to you as well from the Peep Squad. There we go. Ooh, excuse me, I have such a tickle in my throat today. It's driving me crazy. It's a quiet day here with the chickies. Yeah, hi Stormy. I've got the tripod set up down here for the first time. I don't think the chickens have ever seen this before. I love Stormy's little noises. I love all their little noises. There we go. We're just hanging out today. In the back, they've got their new little nesting area for when they're inside, just in case they need it. Some very fluffy cat beds on a deep bookcase. Excuse me. Yes, Braveheart. What's up, darling? Oh, now they've all moved over here. Just a quiet afternoon with the chickens. Oops, sorry. Yes, Stormy. That was quite the noise. Alrighty. Well, thank you for joining us, Summer Sunflower. I hope you have a good day. Hello, ladies. What are we doing? Stormy. Alrighty, I think we're going to stop there for today. It's a pretty quiet day. I hope everyone has a lovely afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to watching Chickies.